is currently 2:53 p.m., June 1st. The day Rec Room shuts down. Oh, glitched. Music's off. What's happening? Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, that is the end of Rec Room.
Colin! What's up? Get me up!